All right, team, it's a 20-minute cardio core workout, no jumping, all standing, no repeats. This workout has 24 moves that are specific for slimming that waist. All moves are done standing, and this is no jumping and no repeats. You have 30 seconds per move with an 8-second transition. This is gonna keep it at a low impact, steady state. Not only is this great for your waist, but also your heart. Equipment is lightweight. So we're gonna be using 2-pound dumbbells, option to use wrist weights or no weights, and your amazing body. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Do make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any workouts. And if you want more, all you gotta do is hit that join button below to get access to more workouts, live workouts, and help me create the workouts. We are using light weights. I have a 2-pound dumbbell in each hand. It is optional. If you have wrist weights, go ahead and put them on. Hey team, start your day off with the Super Greens from Snap Supplements. It also has collagen in it. Not only do the Super Greens have over 26 fruits and vegetables, but the collagen is great for hair, skin, nails, your joints, your muscles. As we age, we tend to not make as much, so a little bit of supplementing is amazing for your body. This also has probiotics in it, which is great for gut health. All of that in one product that you can have in the morning for 30 calories. This is how I start my day. If you want to check it out, it's in the description box below, and there's a great discount for you. How you feeling today? You're gonna march it out. Light on those feet. Brace that core. Eyes are lifted. Popping those knees up. Now we're gonna be punching right, left, bob, and weave. A little step touch. Now we're gonna use the timer kind of as a guide. So you can always go beyond the timer today. In that punch, use that waist, bob and weave. It's on, right? We're gonna be doing a little knees, reaching the arms up. Right knee, left knee. Just keep the arms reaching. Using the core to pull that knee up as high as you can. You're gonna side kick with your right, knee up on the left. Kick, knee. It could be nice and low. This is gonna engage those obliques. All right, we got the same thing on this side. Kick, knee. Can reach out that arm. We're gonna move our way a little bit back here. All right, we're gonna take 4 knees to the front and then tap it back. 4, 3, 2, tap and go down. 4, Knees come up. I can bring my waist to the hips. Tap back, punch down. Big movement with those arms and the legs. Nice job. March it out. Wide knees. We're going to alternate. Right, left. So keep them out to that side. Little arms rainbow. You can even be smaller. We're gonna be punching it out. Right, left. Hit the corners. A little twist in that waist. Control it. Soften those knees. Weights up at shoulder height. Where are they? We're reaching for the ankles. Right, left. Option, hold it out further away from the body. Are you able to touch that inside of that ankle? Squat, side leg lift. You're gonna drop and reach. Big arms reach up. I pull them in. And then all the way to the top. That big movement engages that core. You guys feeling it? Oh yes, come on. Alternate knees. Arms by, your hands are by your ears. Maybe you touch it. The weight becomes too much, get rid of it or hold it in front of the chest. Feel that exhale, elbow to knee. Side bend. Arms are kind of a W here. Maybe your elbow touches your thigh. Tap your toe a little bit. Chin is up. We got a lot of side waist here. Low side kicks. You can do both arms. A little more intense, right? I like that. Squat, knee, alternate. You drop, knee up. Sit back into your heels, keep that eyes lifted. We're gonna be swinging the weight down, down, and then making a W. So drop the chest a little bit, and then open it up. It doesn't have to be a big step out. You don't even have to move those feet. But when you pull it back, show me the girls, right? Ooh. We've been talking about them a lot today. Hot topic here. All right, we got a little good morning and then a knee. Drop the chest, and then we take it into that knee up. Hinge here. Drop, knee. Push the hips back, and then take your time here. And a good morning, we're gonna work that back side just a little bit. You're gonna pull the abs up and in, like you're doing a plank. Keep the knees a little soft, push your hips back. Give me one more, please. We're gonna take 2 steps to Diane, and then a knee. 2 steps, knee. Arm option. For the way the arms are, guess what? Your core works. So if you're just starting off, no weight, and then build your way up. All right, rope slams, right, left. It doesn't have to be big, it can be small, it can be figure 8. My weights are touching, hands are kind of clasping together. See that figure 8? Go down to the knee and up to the shoulder. Brace the core. Protects your back. All right, we got a right side and then knee. Side, knee, side, knee. So a little bit faster. You can do both arms, I like that. Reach, twist. Sometimes that speed makes you engage deeper inside that waist. Woo, all right, walk it out. We got the other side. Side, knee. Your balance is off. Hand can be on a chair or the wall. Woo, we got a little squat with a little punch. Ready? Drop, push. Same leg, same arm. Push the leg back, flex the foot, and then punch it forward. Keep your legs wide. We're gonna slow it down just a little bit here. You're gonna kick with that right foot, kick, and twist. Kick, stay back, twist. So you're gonna hold that lunge just a little bit, and then turn to that knee. You are in the home stretch here. Nice job. Remember, we're gonna lunge back. Lunge, twist, lunge, kick, right? Lunge, kick, pause, twist. We're using that music that sometimes helps to drive up your intensity and then pushes you through the workout. Nice job. Oh wait, weights go down. We're just gonna cool it down. How do you feel? Feeling good? Little step touch. All right, squat. Hold here, just drop it up. Yeah. How does your core feel? Does your core feel like it got engaged here? I sure hope so. Hold your squat for a moment. All right, hands behind the head, straighten the legs out, and then tip forward and hold a little bit of that good morning. What I want you to do is push your hands into your head and then push your head into your hands, soften your knees, and pull in that waist and just hold here. And then rise it up and release. Ooh, I got a little good sweat on there. How about you? Take that right arm, reach it up. Give me a side stretch. And switch that left arm, reach it up. Give me that side stretch. Oh. And then lunge back that right leg. Drop in that hip. This is good because that's all attached deep into your core. And let's do a little hamstring stretch. Pull the back foot in, and then toes come up on the left foot. Step it in, switch that lunge. Hands can go down, just push that heel back. And this is a great workout too because it's low impact, but very efficient. You could do this 2-3 times a week. Great way to finish your strength workout too. All right, we're gonna pull it in for that hamstring stretch. Toes can come up. And then just be consistent no matter what you do. Any change you do, stay with it. You'll see results, I guarantee. Step it in. A big inhale here, reach it out, reach it up. Reach it back. Pull it into that heart of yours, having that attitude of gratitude. Big inhale. And let it go. Oh my God, you did so amazing. Woo, how you feeling, you guys? Thank you guys, thank you. I'm gonna make sure I say thank you to my crew. Thank you, Carol. Thank you, Liza. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Catherine. Thank you, Cheeky. Thank you, Diane. And thank you. Look at, I nailed all their names. Who do you know? Who do you guys know? Gloria, Julie, Renee, you guys, make sure you send me messages. I love seeing you guys. You have an awesome day. Make sure if you enjoyed the workout, thumb it up, comment below, and share this with your friends. We'll see you back on that mat. Take care.